Hello friends, today we discuss one more application of derivative, which is maxima and minima. So here we find where the function is maximum and where the function is minimum. What are the conditions of maxima and minima? Okay. So maxima and minima. Of a function. So first of all, we see what is actually maxima and minima in figure. Okay. So let us consider a function. It is defined in some given interval a b, suppose. So this is a function. It is defined in this interval, suppose a b. Now we divide these intervals into subintervals. We divide this interval like this and like this. X1, x2 and x2 b in this way. Now let us see this interval. In this interval, if we see here, the function is maximum at this point. Let it be a, suppose. And if we see function is minimum at this point, let it be b, suppose. Okay. So in this interval a comma x1, the function is maximum at point a and it is minimum at point b. Similarly, in this interval we find function is minimum at this point c and maximum at this point d. And in the last interval, function is minimum at this point e and maximum at this point f, suppose. Okay. So in this way we find we see here the function where the function is minimum and where the function is maximum. So here we get more than one maxima and minima. So these maxima and minima are called local maxima and minima. Means in this interval there is a maxima and minima. In this interval there is another maxima and minima. In this interval there also the maxima and minima. So these are local maxima and minima. Local maxima. Here A is local maximum, D is local maximum, and F is also local maxima. Similarly, here we find local minima. Local minima. So B, C, and E are the local minima. Okay. Now if we see this total interval AB, and in this interval AB, see this function in this interval AB, and if we see here the function overall maxima and minima of this function. So here we can see this point, here at this point P, function is minimum, and at this point Q, the function is maximum. And this minima and maxima, these are called as global maxima and minima. हे आपण सगळ्यांसाठी वापरतो. म्हणजे ए टू बी या इंटरवल मध्ये आपण मॅक्झिमा मिनिमम काढतो. इथे ए टू बी मध्ये आपण पुन्हा डिवाइड केला आणि ते मॅक्झिमा मिनिमम काढला. तर हे लोकल मॅक्झिमा अँड मिनिमा, हे ग्लोबल मॅक्झिमा अँड मिनिमा. ग्लोबल मॅक्झिमा अँड हियर इट इज ग्लोबल मिनिमा. ओके. आता हे जरा डायग्रामच्या सहाय्याने आपण हे इथे पाहू शकतो किंवा ऑब्झर्व करू शकतो. ऍक्च्युअल डेफिनेशन काय हे आपण इथे पाहणार आहे. सो व्हॉट इज डेफिनेशन ऑफ मॅक्झिमा अँड व्हॉट इज डेफिनेशन ऑफ मिनिमा? लेट अस सी हियर. Maxima of a function. So we let y is equal to f of x be a function defined in the interval AB. Okay. And we let C belongs to AB. Then we say that this function is maximum at point C if there is a condition we say that f is maximum at x is equal to c if there is a condition f of c is greater than f of x for all x belongs to AB. Okay, we discuss this by diagram. So let us see here. XY plane, and there is a function. We consider this function y is equal to f of x. Okay, so let us consider this point is A and this point is B. Now see here, if C is the point, corresponding point of this point, here it is C. Okay, this point is C. So coordinates of this point are C comma f of C. Now see here, we observe that function is maximum at this point C. Now we take any other point in the interval to the left or right side of C and see the function is, the value of function is less than f of C always. Okay, so this is f of x, this is f of C, this is f of x. So f of C is always greater than f of x for all x belongs to AB. So in this case, we say that the function is maximum at point C. Similarly, we discuss the minimum of function. Where is the function minimum? So for that, we take another function, minimum of function. Let us consider this is a y is equal to f of x is a function. This point is A and this point is B. If we take this point is C, then we observe that this f of C is less than for any other value of function to the left side of, to the right side of C. Okay, so here f of C is always less than f of x for all x belongs to AB. Okay, definition, minima of function. So we consider the same function in the same interval, and what is the condition? Function is minimum at C if f of C is less than f of x for all x belongs to AB. So these are the definitions of the minima, maxima and minima of a function. Okay. Now, what is the use of derivative? What is the application of derivative in finding maxima and minima of a function? Okay. So we see this later on. Thank you.